Okay, I'm going to try and capture the Deebot when it fails. So, it hasn't been run since yesterday. Yesterday it did 88 square meters in 77 minutes. What I don't understand is why, since it's been on charge, it's only 71%. Anyway, let's start with the dining room, entry area, pantry, shower, toilet, kitchen. So that should be about 90 square meters. Actually, let's add to it and just vacuum the rumpus room when it's all done. So I probably may recharge to go do that second bit. Usually it fails within the first 10-15 minutes, so it'll do one room or maybe 1.5 rooms and then fails. All objects have been removed from the floor, so there's nothing in its path. Let's give it a go. That's interesting. It's not washing the mopping pads. Okay, did not wash the mopping pads. Let's see how we go. Okay, so I'll try and get the camera to get this area before it moves on to the foyer area. Try to capture as much as we can to see if it passes or fails. I don't understand why it didn't wash the mopping pads, so it's not laying down any water at the moment. Really odd. Okay, so far it is showing that it is doing a room, it is tracking. Even though I don't know where it's, I think it's getting the water from. So that's a new, I say fault, but a new circumstance as of today, after 10 months, nearly 11 months of running this thing. I've never seen it leave the dock to a vacuum mop without actually loading up the mopping pads or washing the mopping pads. Okay, I think we've just caught the fault. So we're showing the mop, it has just given up and stopped. So it says nothing. It showed that it did start the dining room. And cleaning completed. Okay, so the dining room area that I was mopping is just gone. It says cleaning completed. So I'll let it return to station. As it goes to return to station, let's have a look at the cleaning log. Showing no log as of today, only yesterday's. So there we go, we've captured the fault. It was set to clean 90 odd square metres over a couple of rooms. Barely even did 5 minutes of its predestined task and gave up. So I'll sit for a bit and then I'll decide to do the same thing again. So I may do this 2 or 3 times before it actually goes back home, and then we need to restart it to carry out the task, sometimes 2 or 3 times before it successfully carries out the required clean. I'll just move it back in case it wants more of a run up to the dock. Now, mind you, while it's looking for its home, oh, where is it going now? It said cleaning completed, and we were seeing cleaning tracks on the dining room. There's nothing there as of today, so cleaning completed, there's nothing there. I'm actually going to stop the video now because it's going off. Not sure where it thinks it's going. It'll roam around the house for a couple of minutes, may eventually make its way back here. Sometimes it gives up and stops, and I'll have to return it to base manually.